Hi, my beautiful friends. How are you people today? I'm here in the Mother Nature. I'm so blessed to be here. I have some long period of time since I wasn't able to get here to release my negative energies, my stress, that quotidian stress that we have all. And I want to say sorry for not being able to pull out some readings the last few days for you people due to some physical problems, health problems as well. And I'm better every day. I'm getting my power back. That's why I'm here. I have to go up the road right now, and it's a little not so easy for me. Let's see around a little. No, I can turn. Why? Okay, sorry, I think I put on pause. So I'm here, beautiful space, beautiful nature, with my beautiful dog. I send to you all good vibes, good vibration from here. I have Max, we don't play now. He's so playful, my dog now. And yeah, what can I say? It's so beautiful here. I hope you have the possibility to go at least one on week in the nature to reunite with Mother Earth. I just have a embracing session with a nice tree, a nice good friend that we change some energies, and it's so good now. You feel instantly how the Mother Nature is healing you, you know. So I recommend for everybody, I always said this, please people, go in nature. When you feel stressed, when you feel tired, when you deal with narcissistic energies, vampires energies. I had to deal a lot with this in my last 2 years, let's say. And it wasn't so easy for me. But we go farther. God is with us. Our brothers and sisters from other dimensions, planets are with us as well. Our galactic family, our ancestors, the fairies. I can feel always the elementals here in the nature. It's something like every time when I'm here and I start to meditate here or pray or talking with the elementals, with fairies, with trees, beautiful wind circling, warm wind is always like talking with me, you know. It's so amazing to feel this. And well, I want to say, people, that some hours later, for sure, we'll meet again for a reading. I'm not sure right now what kind of reading will be. Maybe you will let in the comment if you want something special. I don't know, the Celtic Cross or a general timeless reading, current energies. Let's see what God wants us to know, somebody to know, or a big group of people, I don't know. It's not coming from me, from myself, it's coming from the divine, okay? Or other kind of readings, I don't know. I don't think zodiac signs right now that I will do, but later we'll see, okay? So please let in the comment, and we'll see some hours later. Max! Somebody's coming. Wait a moment, please. Nu face nimic. Hi, Max. So people, thank you for being here and watching my videos, and see you later. What can I say? Happy to be here again. I send to you good vibration, okay? A lot of energy from my heart for you people. See you soon. Let's see around a little more. Max, where are you? Where are you? What are you doing? Go farther? Come back? What do you say? He's playful now. Let's see, where is Max? Nature, Mother Nature, all white. It was a beautiful sun. I charged myself with the rays of the sun rays. So beautiful silence. Max, let go, man. Let's go. Let's come back home. Okay, goodbye. Love you all.